What's happening, everyone? Welcome to the channel. So bookkeeping for e-commerce and Amazon sellers, this is always a challenging task. I know firsthand when I first started doing Amazon how stressful it was to understand what you needed to do, how you need to file your accounts, how you needed to keep track of your accounts, how you need to set up your accounts, how you need to track your accounts moving forwards, get the right software, etc., etc. It is hard work, okay? And that's why I've actually partnered up with Osome. So Osome is a bookkeeping and accountancy company, okay? Now, I've been using them for about a year and a half now. I've had a great experience. There's always someone to talk to. There's always someone to talk to at the end of the phone. There's always someone to talk to at the end of the chat. They have to reply within 24 hours. So let me just explain in this video what they actually do for me to do my books and do my accounting. Because look, I've actually got a 2 months free link below if you want to try Osome out for yourself. And if you like them, continue using them. If you don't like them, you haven't lost anything, okay? It's worth checking them out. This is what they do for me, okay? So I literally have a software, the Osome software, okay? Everything's integrated together, which means I've got the live chat if I need them, okay? I've got QuickBooks and Link My Books, all Exit, Zero and everything like that is all linked into the Osome software, okay? Which means that they're tracking everything real time. There's also a portal there, which means that you can upload all of your receipts or get your virtual assistant to do it, which is what I do. Get my team to upload all of our VAT receipts and normal receipts for the end of year accounts and also for the VAT returns, etc., etc. Everything is just a little portal so you can upload it. I remember when I started and I didn't use Osome, I was having to manually create and put every receipt into different folders and different months of the year, and it was just a nuisance. And then end of the year I had the accountant asking me for loads of stuff and it was all missing. It's pretty seamless now. Obviously we still have to check up on some certain receipts, at the end of the VAT quarter, but generally 9 times out of 10 all the receipts that we get, right, we request them and we upload them into the portal or send them to Osome by email just quickly as that. They sort it all out. They do all the books, means that I don't have to touch anything to do with my VAT or my annual tax returns, okay? So I would highly recommend them. I would check out the 2 months free link below because it's an awesome thing. And also having them at the end of the live chat whenever you need them, or having them, I've actually got the personal contact number of my accountant so I can talk to them at any time. If there's any queries, any worries, I can ask him, and if he doesn't know, he will then raise it higher and then I can book a meeting whenever I want. This is what was missing. This is what was missing in the accounting industry for e-commerce sellers. You need to have an accountant that you can talk to about anything at any time and that you trust and that they can understand you, listen to you, guide you through it and not charge you extortionate fees. I've been charged hundreds of pounds just to set up a limited company in the past. Osome do it for £1 or something like that. Check the link below once again. So anyway, I will see you in the next video. Don't struggle with your bookkeeping accounting. Get the 2 months free trial. I'll see you in the next video.